Hey there, welcome to today's edition of the Daily Market Rundown, where we break down the key financial developments shaping the stock market and global economy. In today's session, we will dive into India's latest move to protect its domestic metal industry, Allianz SE's potential partnership with Jio Financial, GR Infra projects, major project win, BPCL game-changing hydrogen aviation ecosystem, and the surge in defense stocks. Let's jump right in. India has taken significant steps to protect its domestic steel and aluminium industries by imposing trade barriers on imports. The government has introduced a provisional anti-dumping duty on aluminium foil from China ranging between $619 and $873 per metric ton. This duty applies to foils up to 80 microns in thickness, excluding those below 5.5 microns used in capacitors, and will remain effective for 6 months. The move is aimed at countering price undercutting by Chinese manufacturers and supporting Indian aluminium producers. Meanwhile, the Directorate General of Trade Remedies has recommended a 12% provisional safeguard duty on certain steel imports for 200 days. This decision comes amid a surge in steel imports from China, South Korea, and Japan, driven by global trade restrictions that redirected surplus steel to India. As the United States recently imposed a 25% tariff on all steels and aluminum imports, Indian producers fear that an influx of cheaper Chinese products could pressure their margins. The Indian government aims to prevent trade diversion and ensure a fair competitive environment for domestic manufacturers. While these duties are expected to boost local production, they may also lead to an increase in steel and aluminum prices in India, further intensifying global trade tensions. In another major development, German financial giant Allianz SE is exploring a new partnership with Jio Financial Services after ending its long-standing alliance with Bajaj Finserv. Discussions between Allianz and Reliance Industries, the parent company of JFSL, have been ongoing for months and gained momentum recently. Allianz is reportedly keen on establishing a new insurance venture with JFSL, aiming for at least a 50% stake to secure greater control over management and operations, something it lacked in its joint venture with Bajaj. India's insurance sector permits 100% foreign direct investment, making this an attractive opportunity for Allianz to strengthen its foothold in one of the world's fastest growing financial markets. Investors responded positively to the news, with Jio Financial Services stock price surging over 2% to Rs 231.25 on March 19. However, the proposed partnership is still subject to regulatory approvals from the Competition Commission of India (CCI) and the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India (IRDAI). If finalized, this collaboration could reshape India's insurance landscape by integrating Allianz global expertise with JFSL's digital and tech-driven financial services model. Meanwhile, shares of GR Infra projects surged 14%, hitting Rs 1,075 per share on March 19 following the company's announcement of securing a Rs 4,263 crore project from the National Highway Authority of India. The project involves constructing a 6-lane access-controlled Agra-Gwalior greenfield highway across Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Scheduled for completion within 910 days, this contract further solidified GR Infra's reputation as a leading infrastructure company in India. Investors reacted optimistically to the news, recognizing the project as a significant addition to the company's expanding order book, which is expected to drive revenue growth and profitability in the coming years. Adding to the momentum in the market, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited has partnered with BluJ Aerospace, the Agency for New and Renewable Energy Research and Technology, and Kochi International Airport Limited to develop the world's first hydrogen-powered vertical takeoff and landing aircraft ecosystem. Under this agreement, BPCL will establish hydrogen refueling stations in Kochi and Trivandrum to support BluJ Aerospace VTOL aircraft. The partnership also includes research and development for an indigenous proton exchange membrane (PEM) hydrogen fuel cell, which will provide high power density for vertical lift-off. This initiative aligns with India's net zero emission goal for 2070 and aims to revolutionize urban air mobility with hydrogen-powered VTOL aircraft, offering lower noise and a significant reduction in carbon emissions. On the defense front, India defense stocks witnessed a sharp rally on March 19, driven by expectations of new government orders and an increased defense budget for the upcoming fiscal year. Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers led the rally with a 20% jump after completing sea trials for two warships, Himgiri and Androth. IdeaForge surged 14.14%, Cochin Shipyard gained 8.64%, while Mazagon Dock shipbuilders and Bharat Dynamics climbed 10.47% and 6.32% respectively. The government has increased the defense budget to Rs 6.81 lakh crore for FY 25-26, a 9% rise from the current financial year. Of these, Rs 1.72 lakh crore has been allocated for modernization, with Rs 92,088 crore embarked for operational readiness. Additionally, Indian defense firms stand to benefit from Europe's Rearm Europe initiative, which seeks to strengthen military capabilities and rising geopolitical tensions with Russia. With increasing domestic and global opportunities, the Indian defense sector is poised for strong growth, making it a key focus for investors. That's it for today's market rundown. From India's metal import duties to Allianz Ship to Jio Financial, GR Infra projects big win, BPCL's hydrogen-powered aviation, and the surge in defense stocks, the financial world is buzzing with action. Stay tuned for more updates for your daily dose of market insights.